Ball and Boo. Misha woke up, oh what a surprise. A wobbly tooth beneath her right eye. She wiggled it left, she wiggled it right. Oh my, she giggled, it's loose all night. Wobble, wobble, tooth so small. Wobble, wobble, it might just fall. Brush it gently, keep it clean. A brand new smile will soon be seen. To Mama with a wide open grin. Look at my tooth, it's wiggling within. Mama smiled big, gave her a cheer. You're growing up, my darling dear. Wobble, wobble, tooth so small. Wobble, wobble, it might just fall. Brush it gently, keep it clean. A brand new smile will soon be seen. Breakfast time, she chewed her toast, but that wobbly tooth tickled the most. She sipped on juice with a little slurp and made a silly, giggly burp. Wobble, wobble, tooth so small. Wobble, wobble, it might just fall. Brush it gently, keep it clean. A brand new smile will soon be seen. In the mirror, she made a funny face. Her tooth danced like it's in a race. She poked it softly, gave a wiggle, then laughed aloud with a little jiggle. Wobble, wobble, clap your hands. Wobble, wobble, make toothy plans. When it falls, be brave and bright. The tooth fairy comes that very night. Night in bed, she laid her head with her tooth under the pillow instead. She closed her eyes and dreamed a dream of glitter wings and starlit beams. Wobble, wobble, nighty night. Wobble, wobble, hold on tight. Sleep and snuggle soft and warm. Tooth fairies coming in magical form. When morning came, what did she see? A shiny coin and a note by the tree. Thank you, Misha, the fairy wrote, for your tiny tooth and your lovely note. Wobble, wobble, tooth is gone. Wobble, wobble, sing this song. Big kids smile wide and proud. Let's all cheer and laugh out loud. At playgroup time, she showed her gap. Her friends all clapped with a happy clap. Zuzu cheered and Nain gave a shout. You're so brave! They danced about. Wobble, wobble, tooth goodbye. Wobble, wobble, don't you cry. Losing teeth is just the start of growing up with a kind big heart. So if your tooth begins to wiggle, don't be scared, just give a giggle. Be like Misha, calm and sweet. A smile with gaps is still complete. Wobble, wobble, big white grin. Wobble, wobble, let joy begin. Brush your teeth and shine each day. A happy smile is here to stay.
I will left and Bobo, even better all the world. Wanna play with us? Let's go. Bobo's tail went a wiggle wag wag as he woke up with a stretch and drag. The sun beamed in, it's time to play. Let's find animals all the day. Bobo barked and ran ahead. Adventure time, the baby said. Bobo's the best, he's fun and fast. He zooms and zips and never comes last. As he by his side so small, they play with animals big and tall. From boot to meow and chirp to roar, let's find animals more and more. In the yard, a hen went cluck. Bobo barked and then got stuck. As he laughed, let's not scare. Let's feed her corn with love and care. The hen clucked once, then gave a wink. She laid an egg with a plink, plink, plink. As he saw a kitten nap, curl up tight in Mama's lap. Bobo barked a little too loud. The kitten jumped and meowed so proud. She's not a toy, as he did say. Let's pet her gently, that's the way. Cluck or meow or a fluffy tail, treat them kind and never fail. Animals love when we're polite, with gentle hugs and hearts so bright. Bobo learns, and as he too, that kindness makes your world brand new. They walked with Mama to the zoo, with colors bright and sky so blue. Bobo wagged, his eyes went wide. An elephant trumpeted from the side. As he waved, he's big and strong. Bobo barked a trumpet song. In a den so deep and round, the lion yawned without a sound. As he whispered he needs sleep, let's tiptoe past and make no peep. Bobo nodded soft and slow. He curled beside a lion statue's toe. let animals rest and gently go. Bobo learns what's right to do as he helps him through and through. From chirpy birds to lions deep, some want food and some want sleep. Look at Stripes cried as he out loud, and zebras danced in a prancing crowd. Bobo copied with a wiggly step, he spun around and nearly slept. Zebra made come dance with flair, so as he danced in the open air, Bobo barked at a swinging tail. Monkeys jumped and told a tale. One dropped a banana with a plop as he caught it before the drop. They laughed and peeled and shared the snack. Monkey clapped and gave a pat, pat, pat. Dance like zebras, swing with glee, laugh with monkeys in the tree. Bananas shared high fives too. That's how friends say I love you. Bobo's learning every day as he's proud to say his name. By a tree sat a cuddly bear. He looked alone with messy hair as he brought a blanket near, and Bobo barked a tune so dear. The bear stood up and gave a hug, warm and cozy, soft and snug. The sky turned gold, the stars came through, the animals yawned, yes, even the zoo. As he hugged Bobo tight and close, this was the day I loved the most. Bobo yawned, his tail was still, the world went quiet, calm and chill.
Misha skipped to the park so wide with a bubble wand and joy inside. A basket of bottles in colors so bright, red, green, and blue, what a sight! She dipped and blew with gentle care, and tiny round bubbles filled the air. Bubbles high, bubbles low, watch them shimmer, watch them go. Pop one here, pop one there, bubbles flying everywhere. Blow and giggle, run and spin, let the bubbly fun begin. She ran to the swings and gave a swing, holding the wand like a magic thing. Bubbles danced with every glide, floating softly side to side. Even the wind gave a little cheer, spinning the bubbles far and near. Bubbles up, bubbles round, floating gently to the ground. See them sparkle in the light, rainbow colors shining bright. Pop and giggle, chase and shout, that's what bubble fun's about. Down to the sandbox, off she ran, with a bucket, shovel, and playful plan. She built a castle with sandy spires and blew some bubbles like magic fires. They landed gently on castle walls until they popped like bouncing balls. Misha saw her bouncy ball, she kicked it fast, oh it was tall. A bubble chased it through the trees, riding softly on the breeze. She chased them both with laughing glee, a bubble parade around the tree. Bubble march, float and fly, touch the treetops, kiss the sky. Catch a bubble on your nose, watch how light and bright it glows. Bubbles, bubbles everywhere, we'll play all day without a care. Up the monkey bar she climbed, blowing bubbles every time. Each step up she'd give a puff, the air was filled, never enough. One big bubble, bold and wide, followed her climb like a magic ride. Time for lunch beneath the tree, with sandwich, fruit, and bubble tea. But even while she munched her treat, the bubbles danced around her feet. A friendly dog came by to sniff, pop! A bubble burst on his whisk. Then all the kids came out to play with bubble bottles on display. Suzune, Aim, and baby Azzy too, all with bottles of bubble goo. They laughed and spun and blew their best, bubbles flying east and west. And around the kids came out to play with bubbles from here to beyond. Hop with bunnies, twirl like tops, pop the bubbles before they drop. Let's all dance, skip and sing, bubbles make the playground swing. The sky turned pink, the day grew still, the bubbles danced with evening thrill. Misha sat on the slide so high and watched them float into the sky. One last breath, one final blow, 100 bubbles in golden glow. Bubbles, now it's time to sleep, floating dreams for us to keep. Misha yawns her wand held tight, bubbles glimmer in the night. Thank you bubbles, fun and bright, see you in our dreams tonight. I'll dream of bubbles dancing around. Good night, Bubble Town.